love. जय प्रभु सदानंद जी. सदानंद तत्वज्ञान परिषद declares परम पूज्य संत ज्ञानेश्वर स्वामी सदानंद जी परमहंस to be the only present bestower of Tattva-gyan as was previously imparted by Lord Vishnu ji, Lord Ram ji and Lord Krishna ji in the forthgoing eras, and hence he is quoted as present godly incarnation as being waited for since long as Kalki avatar. According to Tattva-gyan, there are 5 types of position of. Now first, the universe or Brahman. The universe is a combined form of place, circumstances, atmosphere and all the nature including merits and demerits. This world or this earth is just a fractional part of the universe. Now second, the body. Body whom we know as a man or as a woman is a machine of the self. Body with all its organs is dead if it is without the self. Body is alive till it is with the self. Without the self, body which is a solely form with many organs is a dead body. It means that in fact a dead body is a real body, which is also called Sharir in Sanskrit or Hindi and Jism in Arabic or Urdu. Now third, the self. Self is a form of his body and action of the soul. It is between the body and the soul. Self is sectional and is unlike the body which is solely. This is also called Jeev in Sanskrit or Hindi and Ruh in Arabic or Urdu. It is self who thinks, knows, understands, decides, talks and so on and acts through various organs of the body. Now fourth, the soul. Soul is a light or divine light or Noor or Divyajyoti or Chandna or Param Prakash or Sahas Prakash. Soul is also called Atma, Ishwar, Brahma or Soham, Hanso Jyoti in Sanskrit or Hindi and Noor in Arabic or Urdu. Soul is a detaching light from God or the Supreme Almighty Lord. Now fifth, the God. God is Param Tattvam like Atma Tattvam or Alam. God is all over the Supreme and is also called Paramatma, Parmeshwar, Param Brahm or Khuda, Allah Ta'ala or Bhagwan or Yehovah or Arihant, Bodhisattva or Param Purush or Akal Purush or Sat Purush. Sant Gyaneshwar Swami Sadanand Ji Paramhans says that there are 4 systems under the absolute knowledge or Tattva Gyan. First, education. Education is that lowest part of absolute knowledge under which we know, see and gain anything or position in between the world or the universe or Brahman and the body. This is by the senses and of the senses of the body. All such education-based achievements are up to the body only. Education is also called Siksha in Sanskrit and Hindi. Second, self-realization. Self-realization is the second system under absolute knowledge under which we know, see and gain anything and the position of self. Self-realization is based on by the self, for the self and of the self. Self-realization is secondly called Swadhyay in Sanskrit and Hindi, which means the study of the self. Third, spiritualization or yoga, the system under which we know, see and gain anything or position of the soul is yoga or spiritualization. This is based on by the soul, for the soul and of the soul. The soul is not perfect, hence liberation and immortality, mukti, amarta, are not achieved under this system. Spiritualization is also known as Adhyatma, which means toward Atma, Atma ki or. Fourth, the knowledge of the Supreme or Tattva Gyan. the supreme system under which we meet, know, see, conversate with and gain anything or the position of God is called the knowledge of the Supreme or the knowledge of the God or simply Tattva Gyan. This is based on by the God and for the God only. This is the only system which is true, supreme and perfect. Other methods and principles are imperfect. Therefore, liberation and immortality or mukti and amarta is never gained under any other system else. These are gained in this very supreme system. The knowledge of God or the supreme knowledge is also known as Tattva Gyan in Sanskrit and Hindi and Khudai Ilm in Arabic and Urdu. All the secrets of the whole existence lie in it and is clearly perceivable in one's front in this very system and nowhere else. The method under which we know and see the self is called self-realization, not spiritualization or knowledge or Tattva Gyan. The method by which we know and see the soul is called only yoga or spiritualization, not self-realization or knowledge. However, self-realization is already covered by spiritualization or adhyatma. Similarly, the supreme system under which we meet with, know, see and conversate with God is known as knowledge or Tattva Gyan alone, not self-realization or spiritualization. However, education, self-realization and spiritualization, all these three are covered within the knowledge. Therefore, knowledge alone is perfect. If you want to know anything fundamentally or to get the position of God or Supreme, you must get Tattva Gyan only. Because nothing is left unknown fundamentally if you get Tattva Gyan, which is all the perfect. Then you will find yourself becoming as perfect as a Supreme Person after getting this Tattva Gyan or this knowledge. Jai Prabhu Sadanand Ji.